Welcome to class upper KG. This is our maths period. Today is Thursday, 17 December 2020. Firstly, we will do oral drill. Good morning and Assalamu alaikum class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. It's maths period and we will do oral drills. Let's do the oral drill of table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. Now we will do the oral drill of shapes. Which shape is this? Triangle. What is the spelling of triangle? Tri, try, A-N-N-G-L-E, triangle. Oval, O-V-A-L, oval. Circle, C-I-R, C-L-E, circle. Rectangle, R-E-C-T, rect, A-N-N-G-L-E, rectangle. And last one is square, S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. Now we will do the oral drill of table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. Good morning and Assalamu alaikum class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we will do workbook page number 47. First of all, you will write the date 17. Today we will do page number 47. First of all, you will write short date 17-12-2020. Today our topic is join the dots 1 to 30. Okay, we will join the dots 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where is 6? Okay, we will write 6. So we will join here 5 to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. Okay. Here is the complete picture of mother. We will join the dots 1 to 30. Okay, turn the next page. First of all, you will write the short date 17-10-2020. Here is our topic is fill in the missing numbers. We will do page number 48. Fill in the missing numbers. What comes after 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, here is the next question. 1 more than 6 is 7. We will add 1 into 6. So our answer is 7. And here is the 7 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 1 more than 5 is, we will add 1 into 5. So our answer is 6. And we will draw 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1 more than 7 is 8. We will draw 8 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 more than 4 is 5. We will draw 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 more than 4 is, we will add 2 into 4. So our answer is 6. We will draw 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6.